Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cluttered walls and lost schedules? Can the Drift Digital Calendar 27 really change that? Let's find out. This product is an absolute game changer for anyone looking to organize their life and stay on top of their schedule. With its 27-inch HD touchscreen, you can instantly see everything you need to know, from appointments to meal plans, all in one place. The smart digital calendar seamlessly syncs with your phone, so you can add events on the go, and the touchscreen interface is so intuitive, you'll be navigating it like a pro in no time. The screen has a smooth texture, making it easy to swipe through your schedule, and the sound of the notifications is crisp and clear. One of the things that really sets this product apart is its flexibility. You can mount it on a wall or place it on a desk, making it perfect for kitchens, offices, or living rooms. Plus, it's well reviewed by many customers who have found it to be an indispensable tool for managing their busy lives. You can even use it to display your favorite photos when you're not using it as a calendar, and create custom lists for trips or holidays. The interactive task charts are also a great way to motivate kids to stay on top of their chores, and the weekly meal plans will make planning dinners a breeze. Overall, the Drift Digital Calendar 27 is an incredibly useful tool that will make your life easier and more organized, and I highly recommend giving it a try if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to stay on top of your schedule. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.